Drake, more rice. Give me the bun bun. Give me the bun bun. My uncle like that. I top the bun bun. Give me the bun bun.
Wagwan, my viewers and subscribers. Happy Monday to everyone. And enough love and respect every time. And remember, if you do not like the truth, this channel is not for you. Alright? People me said this morning, all because of fast. Me say me go chip up the whole of me knee and me go make bad boy tear up the whole of my clothes. Yes man, me go jump people fence cause what? Then start lock them front gate for me so me can't walk through front gate again and go in the yard. We have to start up fence. Tear up the whole of my clothes and chip up the whole of my knee. Dog all around me down and bite me up and then some blessed people me say be something go with me this body. Just because about faster people business. But I like them something you wear up to me on social media. Trust me people. But anyways people, I say I go through all of the hustling. And only if you go find out say Annie and TikTok police gone back. Jesus Christ, what a piece of disgrace for ya. Eh? People look for disgrace where Annie and TikTok police go on day before yesterday on social media. Hmm? Look how Annie call the man plays shop and how as a young boy he want juice because he who dead. Hmm? Big disgrace. I may tell some people upon more than one occasion. Well, this is the biggest, conflict when they have on social media, but upon more than one occasion, then this up there one another upon social media. And I strongly believe this relationship is just for the clout. No passion, no nothing, genuine, not about this a relationship. And a matter of fact, people, you see, once you start date somebody from social media and you keep the relationship on social media, that not go nowhere far. If you meet somebody on social media and you decide to, alright, then you want to take it to the next level, why not take it off the media and do what not do off the media so people know up and down in the business and any disgrace of go on, in a go up on social media. But instead, they make social media people know every Jesus Christ thing. And me say, and say, no farmer example for your pin to them. None whatsoever, no wonder why them say, oh, she sell out. Make a boo where they fit on a steal. Hmm? For a big ass steering woman and you're not supposed to go on social media, what kind of example you set for your pin to them? I see them where pin them along in the people. And if you talk truth, oh, cause nobody can grab no out here if you talk truth. No man, me say Anya 48-year-old, she go on like she had 20 or she had 16. I mean, you're all as how you feel, yes, but good God Almighty, you need to have some form of dignity, some form of pride, No, them are something that look good on social media at all, Annie. Hmm? And it is just for the clout. You can see it, Panar, And not to mention Jaden. Him is there for just the clout. You see one time him and Annie they pan live or when him and TikTok boss they pan live and when him a go out with their foolish, you notice how him a push up him more towards them. Hypocrite you see the Jaden they be. Yeah man. Him just there for the clout man. I mean, don't know what make him a do for himself so. Why Jaden bleach out and I do himself so to rock stone? Look how the little boy. No sir. Me say he look cranny. No people he not look good at all. Me say Jaden look cranny like a wa. But I know Jaden no come to talk about, me come to talk about any dirty behavior on social media. Me say she put out video claiming to say she address Blinger because Blinger must be over her one which you all know Blinger I wanna TikTok police scrub them. Do you understand? So, and he claimed to say she had put out video Pan Mother's Day, that are the day after TikTok police threw her out of in place, you know. Do you understand me? So TikTok police threw her out the day before Mother's Day, and then Mother's Day she come now, which was yesterday, and come and make video for Blingers, and I say how Blingers over our platform a chat, and how Blingers no matter what Blingers say, she and TikTok police now left and a fear man and her man a come bring her out. Lord Jesus, people. No, sir. No, bad too bad, Annie. Me nah run up and down with no man. Or I rent no Airbnb. And me not have a proper door for my house. Me sorry. So all of them the money that what you are gain from TikTok. You not have a proper, you get from TikTok and you get from YouTube, and you not have a proper door for your house, and you on social media like a young girl. What a piece of shame. No, sir. No, Annie. Me say no wonder why Anna tan so. Right? Because as we all know, Anna still, even though she knows say the baby Anna fee. The baby Anna fee red dance, you know, she still a stick on pan red dance, you know, cause look like say a red man she love. So she now move from side of red dance. Why you give audio in Pitney? Me say she stay just like her mama. Me say the whole of them is just the same. And me say look like say Mika I come walk in her mama and her sister footstep. Yeah. Them is just a set of clout chasers. No man. Me say if you meet somebody on social media, man, and you genuinely want it to work out, take it off of the media, but you can't see it very bold and big say. And it is just for the views, the likes, you know, the clout overall, and TikTok boss just the same. Because no woman now come tell me, say, my house coming like a shop. And how my hood dead and me want juice. And lot more, and how me car come like yabba dabba do. Right? The same vehicle where TikTok police did a teach and if he driving and he said the boy car come like yabba dabba do. Me say people, hey, woo, yabba dabba do. So when TikTok police did a teach of a drive in the vehicle, you never know say yabba dabba do. You never know say yabba dabba do. Jesus Christ, I tell you. No sir, no. They claim to say they must go pool. Then gonna pool Jaden, TikTok police, Annie, and some more of them, right? And me say for you can't see it on Annie face. You can't see it. Say she is just there for the clout. She just want to be recognized. She just want people to see her. That's it. Where you get from all of that? Nothing but shame and disgrace. Then if I all of that, if I saw me for famous, me not go famous, you know. Me not going to famous at all because me not going to bring my business out here now. Me not come go on with no apparatus. Become disgrace myself and come face no for my embarrassment pa ya. So if I never seen thing have to make me famous, I am not going to be famous at all, my love. Because anything you do on social media, no member say, if you even erase it from your phone, it's still out the same way. People are screen recorded and it is all about the place. Yeah. No man, Annie, you's no good example at all. No wonder you pitney them babes so you claim to say you don't, you know, send your pitney them figure fi catch man or you know look man give them. You even though you not do that, you know, the way how you behave as a mother are the same way they pitney them a pattern. And that pattern them a follow. Yeah. Can you not set no good example? You live as a worthless, dirty mother. Yes. No, man. Mm-mm. You want TikTok police? Too shameless dog. People, me not care if you no want like what me say yes or no. It's just my opinion. Annie is a disgrace, and I pity them. I can walk in her footstep. Cause me hear even the little one when he and Zoe to Rockstone upon TikTok a sing about man. Father God, and she just a come. Eh? She this a come and a sing about man. Because her woman has set no formal example for her. Lord God, people. If you can do your very best and keep a relationship off of social media, do that, yeah? Because the moment you put out something, hear me, boy. The moment you put out something on social media, you know, remember say, it is no longer for your business, it's everybody one. You understand me? So be careful out here. Please, people, remember to subscribe, like, and share, and leave your thoughts down below. And click on the notification bell to know when Pinky posts a video. Alright, stay tuned.